friends, welcome back to my channel. First of all, you see these women, how dareful they are. In this heavy rainfall and thunderstorms, they worked very hard and they enjoy needless singing their songs. How dareful are they? They worked hard to survive themselves and for their family. They don't even care their health. How dare are these poor women? Indirectly, they are working for us in this heavy rainfall also. So, for these women, let's have a like and subscribe my channel and let's salute them. See how beautifully they planted plants for us. Thanks a lot.